The 2026 Dodge Viper GTS is a car that has been long anticipated by fans of the brand and enthusiasts of American muscle cars alike. Since its debut in the early 1990s, the Viper has earned a legendary status, known for its raw power, aggressive styling, and thrilling driving experience. The new generation, arriving in 2026, continues this legacy while integrating cutting-edge technology, performance enhancements, and design refinements. Let's dive into the details of what makes this car so special. First off, the most striking feature of the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS is its design. The Viper has always been known for its bold, aggressive look, and this latest iteration is no different. The 2026 model features sharp lines, a wider stance, and a more muscular presence on the road. The front end is dominated by an updated version of the Viper's signature split grille, with a larger intake to feed the high-performance engine that lies beneath the hood. The headlights are sleek and angular, giving the car a more modern look while still maintaining the Viper's iconic appearance. Moving along the side, you'll notice that the car has been widened to enhance stability at high speeds. The rear of the Viper features a new rear wing and quad exhaust tips, both of which are designed to improve aerodynamic efficiency and sound, further enhancing the car's aggressive character. The Viper's overall silhouette is lower and more aggressive, which not only gives it a more menacing stance but also improves its handling dynamics. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood of the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS is a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. This beast of an engine is capable of producing over 700 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, putting the Viper firmly in the realm of hypercars. The V8 is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing quick and precise gear shifts and ensuring that the Viper can launch from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. The powertrain isn't the only thing that has been upgraded. The suspension system has been completely reworked for the 2026 model, with adjustable shock absorbers and a fully independent rear suspension. This allows the driver to tailor the car's handling to their preferences, whether they're looking for an exhilarating track experience or a more comfortable ride on the street. The Viper's handling is further enhanced by its lightweight construction, which uses a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum to reduce overall weight while maintaining strength and rigidity. One of the key features that sets the 2026 Viper apart from its predecessors is the introduction of an advanced traction control system. This system uses a combination of sensors, algorithms, and real-time data to optimize the car's grip on the road, ensuring that the Viper delivers maximum performance in a variety of conditions. Whether you're driving on a dry track, wet roads, or even icy conditions, the Viper's traction control system ensures that the car stays planted and predictable, making it easier to push the car to its limits. As expected from a car of this caliber, the braking system is nothing short of extraordinary. The Viper GTS is equipped with carbon ceramic disc brakes, which provide exceptional stopping power while also being lighter than traditional steel rotors. This reduces the car's overall weight and improves its performance. The brakes are mated to an advanced anti-lock braking system (ABS), which ensures that the Viper remains stable and under control during hard braking. Inside, the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS is a blend of performance and luxury. The cockpit is designed to place the driver at the center of the experience, with all controls within easy reach. The seats are made of lightweight yet supportive materials, offering excellent comfort and lateral support during spirited driving. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, and the dashboard features a high-tech digital display that provides the driver with real-time information about the car's performance. The center console is dominated by a large touchscreen display, which serves as the hub for the car's infotainment system. This system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, ensuring that the driver is always connected, whether on the track or the open road. The sound system is another area where the 2026 Viper GTS shines, offering a premium audio experience with speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin for the perfect listening experience. In terms of safety, the Viper GTS comes equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems. These include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. While the Viper is built to be a thrilling performance car, Dodge has made sure to include these systems to ensure that the car is also safe and practical for everyday use. But while all of these technological advancements are impressive, what truly sets the 2026 Viper apart is its driving experience. The Viper has always been known for its raw, untamed power, and the latest generation is no exception. The car feels alive, with the engine's growl and the raw feedback from the steering wheel giving the driver an unparalleled connection to the road. Whether you're ripping down a straightaway at top speed or carving through corners on a winding mountain road, the Viper delivers an exhilarating, visceral driving experience that few cars can match. The 2026 Dodge Viper GTS is more than just a performance machine, though. It's also a tribute to the legacy of the Viper, a car that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for decades. From its roots as a raw, unrefined performance car to its evolution into a more sophisticated machine, the Viper has always been about one thing: the pure joy of driving. And with the 2026 GTS, Dodge has managed to capture that essence once again, while adding the modern technology and refinement needed to make the car relevant in today's automotive landscape. When you think about the Viper, you can't help but think about its iconic history. The original Viper, which debuted in 1992, was a game changer. It was a car that wasn't afraid to be bold, brash, and unapologetic. With its monstrous V10 engine and minimalist design, it redefined what an American sports car could be. Over the years, the Viper's legacy continued to grow, with several iterations that refined and improved upon the formula. Each generation of the Viper brought something new to the table, but the essence of the car's raw power, its primal driving experience, and its striking looks always remained intact. The 2026 Viper GTS is no different. It's a continuation of that legacy, but one that takes everything to the next level. It's faster, more refined, and more capable than any Viper that came before it. But it still retains the same heart and soul that made the Viper such an iconic car in the first place. This car is a love letter to those who have followed the Viper's journey over the years, and it's an invitation to a new generation of drivers to experience the thrill of the American sports car. If you're wondering about the pricing, the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS comes with a starting price that places it in the upper echelons of the performance car market. While it's certainly not an entry-level vehicle, it offers exceptional value for what you get in terms of raw performance, exclusivity, and craftsmanship. The Viper is a car for those who are serious about driving, and for those who want a machine that will deliver an unforgettable experience every time they hit the road. In terms of competition, the Viper GTS faces off against some of the most iconic sports cars in the world. From the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 to the Porsche 911 Turbo S and the Ferrari 488 GTB, the Viper has its work cut out for it. However, it holds its own in terms of performance, and its uniquely American character gives it a special place in the hearts of driving enthusiasts. There's no other car quite like the Viper, and the 2026 GTS is proof that this legendary nameplate is still a force to be reckoned with. For those lucky enough to get behind the wheel of the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS, the experience will be nothing short of spectacular. It's a car that offers raw power, razor-sharp handling, and a level of driver engagement that's hard to find in today's world of electronic nannies and digital dashboards. The Viper GTS is a car that's meant to be driven, and it rewards those who are willing to push it to its limits. It's the kind of car that makes you feel alive, and in a world where driving has become increasingly disconnected from the human experience. That's something truly special.